Welcome. In this lesson, we learn how to check if two given integer values fall within the range of 50 to 99. Let's dive in. We need to check if either of the two integers is between 50 and 99, inclusive, and return a Boolean result based on this check. Here's the JavaScript code to check whether either of the two numbers is within the range of 50 to 99. We use simple conditional checks to achieve this. The function checks each of the two numbers. If at least one is between 50 and 99, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. In this example, the number 52 is within the range of 50 to 99, so the function returns true. Here, neither of the numbers is within the range of 50 to 99, so the function returns false. In this example, both numbers are within the range, so the function correctly returns true. Here's the same logic implemented using ES6 arrow functions. The result is the same, but the syntax is a bit more concise. To summarize, we checked if either of the two numbers was between 50 and 99 using conditional checks, and returned true or false based on the results. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.